Alright guys, what's up? Not much. So today we're probably going to be making a bracket for our boost solenoid. A lot of you guys said, hey, there's not enough custom fab stuff. Okay, well here's some custom fab stuff because I refuse to spend $50 on a bracket for this thing that you're still going to have to end up probably making another bracket to fit it in your car or drill some holes or something, because it's not going to just plug and play in any car. So we're going to make our own bracket out of this scrap little fittings I had laying around here. And I will be running twin wastegates on my car, so you're going to need two T fittings. And I mean, most people don't need these. You really just need your boost solenoid, a vacuum fitting to come either out of your turbo into this line. This is going to tee out to each wastegate, and then this is just the scrap metal I had laying around. So yeah, let's go ahead and knock this out, because we're probably going to spend, like, I think this was $1.99, that was $1.99, that was $1.99. Those are free. So we're looking at $6 of our budget versus like 50, and then we still have to buy all this stuff anyway. So let's go ahead and get this thing mounted. All right, so here are our wastegates. We got one here and one over here, and then we have our Terpski. And I'm probably gonna try to mount the boost solenoid somewhere in here, using one of these hundreds of bolt holes that are available. It should be fine right here. It's not too hot, anything over here. And plus this kind of is a midpoint between this wastegate and this wastegate. I could put it on the firewall too back here, but we got a lot of exhaust pipes back here, as you can see. So I kind of want to keep the boost solenoid away from the heat. So what we're gonna do is we're probably gonna try to mount it, yep, somewhere over here. And the thing is, our turbo is, I don't know if you guys can see that. This hole is not drilled out. Some turbos don't come with these holes. I know the Borgs do. It's not drilled out, but it does have the, I don't know if you can see the threads in there. So like realistically, all you got to do is just take a drill and go right through it. You don't have to like buy anything to do special threading or anything like that. That is one positive thing about the Borg turbos. So, all right, let's go ahead and drill that out probably, and then we'll figure out how we can mount this thing. All right, so as you can see, we have our 4-part boost solenoid. This thing actually has mounting holes on it. The screws are in it. The bottom left hole and middle right hole are your mounting points for this. As you can see, there's 2 screws that go through on the back. We're gonna mount this up to this. So what I'm gonna do is I need these to be flat. I don't have any flat bar. So what I'm gonna do is just tap these down, make them flat. And probably I could bolt these together, but that's just too much work. We have a welder. So I'm gonna try to just tack these together once they're flat to kind of make it more stable. So I don't have to have a bolt there. So I'll just weld these flat, tap them out, drill them out, and pop a little tack weld on it. Hopefully it holds, and we'll see what's up. So got our bracket, we welded up, got the bolt to bolt that to the engine, got 2 more bolts to bolt this to the bracket. Let's go ahead and get the bracket installed. All right guys, so here's our bracket, kind of back there. You really don't see it, that's why I really wasn't too concerned about how it looked, but this thing is securely on there right now. It's not going anywhere. I think I kind of like it right there too, because it's kind of like, I don't know, sideways. That was pretty sideways. Yeah, but it should sit kind of like this. I mean, it's kind of tucked away in there. You're not really going to see it too much because the engine harness will probably come through here somewhere. So you really won't see it, and I can easily tap into here because I already got the wires right there. So it should be pretty good. So the only thing, oh, also I took this cover off and actually drilled this hole through. The threads were already there, remember? So I just screwed in this little nipple piece. So to basically hook this up, actually, I don't even know if I'm gonna run all my wires right now because realistically, this has all got to come off and then put back on again when we put the engine in the car. So, but just to give you an idea of how to wire this thing up, one of these wires are going to your ECU to power this. And then you actually have your vacuum line coming off of here. You're coming off of your turbo. This goes to the inlet side of this. And then, well, now if you have one wastegate, one's going to go to the bottom, one's going to go to the top of the wastegate. But in my case, since I'm running 2 gates, I got one over here and one over there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come up and then tee off right here somewhere, maybe, I don't know. But then one's gonna go over that way to the other wastegate over there, and then the other one's gonna come over here. So we'll have 2 tees. Those were the 2 tees from earlier. They're gonna come up, split off. One's gonna go over there, whoops. And then one's gonna come over here. So that's pretty much boost solenoid install. Not bad, but all right, yes. Next video, who knows? Guess we'll see, but keep chugging along little by little. Later, guys.